how to buy LHC. So this token came under the symbol of LHC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 3 hours ago and increased by 500% in the last 24 hours. And also this token, as you can see here, it's managing #1 in this Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now click here to copy the token address. Now open your Fat wallet for that. First of all, I will log into my wallet, as you can see here. Now after that, click here on swap. Make sure first of all that you have enough Solana on your wallet, and after that click here and paste token address in the search bar. So this is our token. Now click on it and click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token on your wallet. After that, click on pricing. Now click on provider, select to Jupiter, click on apply, and now go back and click here on swap, and you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the LHC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.